What's up, guys? Brosome Nation back here with another Hearthstone pack opening. This time we have double the packs, and again I have my lucky charm here, Rosie, my girlfriend.
Hello.
And we're gonna see what we get, how many legendaries we get. Hopefully we
Alright.
get some good stuff. Let's try it. You can always put space bar.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, we're gonna try and do it relatively quick so it's not a long video.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's just go
Click through them. Just click through them. Oh, we got a gold. Gold's always good.
Yay.
Next spacebar, just so we can.
Oh.
So the video's not too long because we do have a double the packs since
That's
the last
true. Time. How exciting!
Going.
Nothing. Next one.
Spacebar.
Oh. Yep. Boom.
Boom shakalaka. Nothing.
All right. We have 77 to go, so I'm sure.
I'm sure we're gonna get one. Oh, there's
Oh.
one. No, I don't want that one.
Oh, do you have it already?
I just don't want that period.
Oh.
Alright.
There's
Well,
one more.
keep going, yeah.
But it's good, right?
No, it's a bad card.
Oh.
I guess I could try to meme with it, but probably not.
Oh, this one has a color.
Yeah, that's good. Purple's good too.
Purple's good. Have you used the other cards that we've unpacked?
Yeah. Use those. Oh, golden crow. We will take the golden crow.
Nice.
That's good. Anything that spawns other golden stuff, it's
Gotcha.
A1.
A1. Barbecue sauce?
Barbecue sauce.
Okay, 73 to go. Boom. Okay.
Spacebar. Come on, legendary. But we already had one, so.
Oh, that's
Well, we should get multiple ones, but.
gotcha.
Spacebar. I really want to drag those packs over.
I do. Wait, I can
Oh,
do.
golden cinderstorm. We'll take that.
I like that you kept the Winx Club.
Oh yeah, I've just never changed it back.
Good, don't.
Wings Club for life.
Winx Club for life.
Once you join, you never leave.
Never. Oh, why do I keep wanting to do that?
This is natural.
Yeah, to just...
We want to drag it over to the...
Oh, this is a purple.
Purple? We'll take the purple.
So...
So?
What's up?
Oh, okay, okay. Well, still trying to beat the monster hunt. I don't know if you guys seen the other videos. I'm having a tough time with Cannoneer. That guy's hero power is just bad. But we'll keep on chugging. Hopefully we can do some more pack ones, but I don't really... I don't know. The last pack video did well, so hopefully this one does well. People seem to like it, so if you guys do want to see more of this, just put it in the comments, or if you guys want to see me play a different game, just throw it in the comments and I'll try it out. Oh, another purple. We'll take it. We'll take it. Go on, work it, work it, work it.
Let's see. Dang. How are we doing though? Are we doing good?
You get another legendary, the 440.
Yellow.
Yeah, then we're doing all right.
Okay.
Still with the dragon.
Reload. Okay, let's see. This looks kind of cool.
I just want gold cards. Oh,
Oh,
gold black cat. I will take the gold black
I
cat.
think you have it already, no?
I'll take two.
I'll take
Two is a playset.
Gotcha. Oh, there's a purple one. Not very good.
Golds? No golds. That was a good pack then. Looking for golden cards. Just any golden cards would make me happy. No legendary yet. Come on, babe. What are you doing?
I'm very unlucky. Oh, so this morning, Joe and I went to go do some Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. I was gonna say yo-yo.
Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
We got
and
the sneak peek, yeah. And she won the mat.
I did win that.
I wanted that mat really bad, so
Yay!
we had 2 entries. They were giving-
Yeah. What are the chances of us not? Yeah.
Well, Alex won one too, so.
Yeah, that's true. He's very lucky.
Yeah, like every time I've been to sneak peek with him, it seems like he wins a mat. Oh, golden, nice.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, golden's always nice.
So that was all my luck this morning with those.
Yeah.
With Woo.
See, more legendaries? No legendaries yet. Come on.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh, why? Por qué?
Oh, we got a pink one. Or purple.
Purple. Oh, golden cheap shot. I'll take the golden cheap shot. It's cool.
There was a golden one?
It was a golden one. It's
Oh.
a golden common. So that's when he goes like, golden common.
Oh.
When you get a golden legendary, he like freaks out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He's like, wow, a golden legendary. Hopefully you can hear it, but
That's funny.
yeah.
Oh, the little person.
Yeah. Oh, we got 2 packs. Oh, another golden zap. We'll take the golden zap. 2 packs. If you can hit another legendary, that'd be nice. No pressure though.
No pressure, just kind of all the pressure. Let's see. So, what did you think about that Avengers movie that we saw today?
Oh, the Avengers. We'll let you know in the next episode. We'll actually cut this one in half so it's not too long.
Okay. It wasn't Avengers.
All right.
It was,
So, until next time, guys. It's Broseph Nation signing out.
What are you doing?